Jai Hind student, today we are going to MCQ type question in financial management. The first question, financial management aim at the options are reducing the cost of the procedure, B keeping the risk under control, C achieving effective deployment of such funds, and D all of the above. The answer is option D, all of the above. Now question number second, purchasing a new machine to replace the existing one is the example of option A financing decision, B dividend decision, C working capital decision, D capital budgeting decision. The option is D is the correct answer, capital budgeting decision. Now question number third, the overall financial risk depend upon the A proportions of debt in the total capital, proportions of equity in the total capital, C both of the above, D none of the above. The option A is the right answer, proportion of debt in the total capital. Now question number fourth, when the stock market is bearish, a company may depend upon to raise a required fund. The option A debenture, B equity share, C preference share, D all of the above. The answer is A debenture. Now question number 5th, name the financial decision which related to disposal of profit. The options are A investment decision, B financing decision, C dividend decision, D capital budgeting decision. The answer is option C dividend decision. Now question number 6th, a company is likely to declare high dividend if the options are A tax rate are high, B tax rate are relatively lower, C tax rate has no effect on dividend declaration, D none of the above. The answer for this question is option B, that is tax relative lower. Now 7th question, name the process that enable the management to foresee the fund requirement, the quantum as well as the timing. The options are A financial management, B capital budgeting decision, C dividend decision, D financial planning. The answer for this question is option D, that is financial planning. Now question number 8, Amber Limited has experienced a downfall in its popularity due to the growing competition. Also, company does not see any forthcoming visible business expansions opportunity in near future. So the management of the company has decided to declare high dividend for the current financial year. Identify the factor related to dividend decision being described above. The options are A cash flow positions, B growth opportunity, C stability of earning, D stability of dividend. The answer for this is growth opportunity. Now question number 9, while taking a loan from the financial institution, Lokesh Enterprises signed an agreement that they shall not pay dividend to its shareholder more than 50% until the loan is repaid, or dividend shall not be declared if its liquidity ratio is found to be less than 1:1. Identify the factor related to dividend decision being described above case. The options are A access to capital market, B preference of shareholder, C contractual constraint, D legal constraint. The answer for this is option C contractual constraint. Thank you.